The ninth house is the house of exploring, adventure, and freedom, calling us to follow the path that expands our world. This house is connected to purpose, higher learning, and wisdom, helping us grow through study, meaning, and discovery. This ninth house also teaches through philosophy, teaching, and open-minded understanding, showing us how knowledge becomes wisdom. Travel is a key part of the ninth house, inspiring us to explore distant places, new cultures, and a bigger view of life. This house also relates to publishing and broadcasting, helping ideas travel farther so truth, vision, and inspiration can be shared. At its highest expression, the ninth house points us toward gurus, spiritual insight, and big picture wisdom, while balancing the everyday learning of the third house.